Henny news. I've just done a bit on Henny just to stop that rusty bit getting any more rusty. I don't know whether you can see it on there. Yeah, I've just flattened it off a bit, masked it up, put some primer on, so at least it doesn't stand out as being a massive problem at the moment. But yeah, just until I can get around to sort of straightening it out. I still don't know whether I don't know whether I can get back to bash it out. Oh, you might be able to actually. Might be able to get back to bash it out that way, and then like straighten it out a bit and then fill it, or whether there's a repair panel I can just get welded on. But either way, it's done. And then I've just had another go at sorting out Margaret's brake. So you don't see can you? So I took caliper off, worked it in and out a bit, put some brake fluid round seals and stuff just to make sure that they were dry inside. Yeah, it seems to be better, but we'll see when we take it for a drive. If not, I'll just have to stick a new caliper on and have done with it. It's not like a massive job. It's just don't like look at them flexi pipe joints and this solid one up here. So it might be a case of shipping it off to Kev's for him to do it on there, just in case it all goes wrong. And I've done a bit of masking off and putting some. In fact, let me see if I can turn camera. Yeah, there's no. Alright, see if this is better. So yeah, I took caliper off, worked it in and out a bit, put some brake fluid around seal a bit so it were alright. I've painted up some bits round here just randomly while I were waiting. Oh, Tom's there. Oh, there he goes. Tom. Yeah, there you go. That's Tom. And then I've just masked this bit up here. Like I said, I was going to try before. Yeah, you have a P there, that's fine. And just masked it up and just gone round inside with some underseal. So just see how that lasts. And if I don't mind it, I'll do it on the other side when I take the other wheel off. But yeah, I just need to get this back on now. Put her in garage and then maybe take her out for a bit of a drive tomorrow. Henny, yeah, I've just finished recording part of steering wheel renovation thing. So oh, hang on, I'll turn the camera around again. Finishing filming Henny's steering wheel thing, so that should be up not next Saturday after, because this is a Saturday before the Saturday before.
Today's video is sponsored by Spontex. Handy, comfortable. For a close and comfortable fit. Oh yeah.
We all love a Saturday. Yeah, so I need to get this wheel back on, and then I might do something with Henny's grill actually. Or I might get a second grill and piss about with that one. I don't know. Anyway, just a little update, a little video, a little nonsense, looking at all this sort of stuff, like stuff, gubbins and stuff. Some stuff and gubbins there, some more stuff and gubbins. Stuff and gubbins. Right, I shall catch you later.